Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hi guys! Ito nga, gagawa nga ako ng brownies cake. Kailangan natin ng brownies crinkle powder, butter, 2 eggs, Lalagay natin ng 2 packs of powder in a big bowl. Ayan, ang tagay ko maglagay, diba? Tapos, magme-melt tayo ng butter sa oven. Mag-set tayo ng time. Tapos na! Yay! Then, maglalagay tayo ng butter sa pan. Swish, 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 swish. Now, let's add the egg. And then, the butter. And then, mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. Let's mix until dark brown. Mix, mix, mix. Then, let's put it in the pan. And then, let's flatten it. Ting, 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 ting. Let's go to the oven. Let's put it in. Close it. Let's wait for 25 to 30 minutes. Go. At buksan na natin. Ayan, napaso ako. Ayan, tapos na, finally. Gumawa pa ako ng pizza. Abangan niyo sa next vlog. Bye!